Hi, this is Matt with Learn About Law. Ever find yourself tangled in a web of landlord and tenant laws? Well, you're not alone. It's like trying to navigate a maze without a map. Today we're diving into the not-so-scary world of Iowa landlord-tenant law changes, and guess what? Not much has changed, but it's still worth a refresher. So grab a comfy seat and let's get into it. First off, let's paint a picture. Imagine my buddy Jake, who moved into this cozy little apartment, right? Only to discover the AC was more like a fancy fan, just blowing room temperature air. Jake, not much of a complainer, thought he'd have to sweat it out all summer, but here's the thing, knowing your tenant rights can be a game changer. Just like Jake, it's essential for everyone. Whether you're renting your first place or you've been around the block a few times to understand the ins and outs of these laws. In the heart of Iowa, laws are set to ensure everyone plays fair. For instance, did you know about the law signed back in April 2021 by Governor Kim Reynolds? It stopped counties from making landlords accept Section 8 housing vouchers. Yeah, if you're in Iowa City, Marion, or Des Moines, this rule applies. And while there are some legal back and forth about whether it's fair, especially for folks with disabilities, it's still the law of the land for now. Before I continue, if you have a question, post it in the comments below. We'll do our best to answer. If you appreciate helpful legal videos like these, give us a like and check the description for more information on how to contact us. But let's talk updates. Security deposits, there are new rules to make things clearer and fairer for everyone. We're talking deposit limits, how and when deposits should be returned, and how to handle any disputes. Then there's the whole deal with rent. How much, when it's due, and how can you pay it? Oh, and if you're a day late. There are caps on those late fees to keep things reasonable. Evictions have gotten a bit of a facelift too. The goal to make sure the process is fair with clear notices and reasons needed before anyone's shown the door. So what's in it for landlords? Well, they've got the right to collect rent on time and can start eviction processes if things go south. They set the rent, decide the due dates, and handle the lease terms. But remember, they've got responsibilities too, like ensuring the place is livable and repairs are made promptly. No skimping on heat or clean water either. Tenants, on the other hand, have the right to a safe and habitable space. They need to know about rent hikes in advance and can even negotiate. Plus, there's a cap on how much security deposit a landlord can ask for, no more than twice the monthly rent. And for the security deposit, landlords have to return it within 30 days after you move out, minus any costs for damage beyond the normal wear and tear. But it's not all about rights. Tenants have to keep their spaces clean, not wreck the place, and let's not forget about being good neighbors. Grounds for eviction? They range from not paying rent on time to breaking lease terms or even legal activities. But there's always a process, including notices and a chance to fix the issue before it escalates to court. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out the article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments section and subscribe for more legal news daily.